Ready to boost your website's security and SEO with a free SSL certificate? Today, we're diving into activating an SSL certificate on your domain in Hostinger, ensuring your site is secured with HTTPS first. Log into your Hostinger account, accessing the panel. Once you're inside the panel, scroll down or use the search bar to find the SSL section. It's usually under the security or website category. Click on SSL. You'll now see the SSL certificates management page. Hostinger usually provides a free Let's Encrypt SSL certificate for your domains. Find the domain you want to secure from the drop-down menu. Next to your chosen domain, you should see an option to install SSL or activate SSL. Click on this button to initiate the SSL certificate installation. Hostinger will automatically handle the SSL certificate generation and installation process for you. This might take a few minutes, so be patient. After the installation is complete, you'll see a message confirming that the SSL certificate is active for your domain. Hostinger often automatically enforces HTTPS. But if not, you can find an option to force HTTPS on the same SSL management page and enable it. And that's it. Your website is now secured with HTTPS. Remember to check your website to ensure everything is working correctly. You've not only secured your website, but also given your SEO a nice boost. Thanks for watching.